name is Alex. I decided to do something slightly different. I've been trying to make some music, but I'm really bad at recording anything of that sort. So I decided to make an app that when I can capture the notes, like with the keyboard, and after, like I don't think I will be doing like live right now. I'm kind of bad at it, but I would capture the notes with the keyboard, and then it creates a file, and then I can kind of keep it, right? So, like, this was one of my previous parts here, and it's off tune, like, it's like off rhythm and stuff like this, because, but this way it kind of saves it, and I can have it, and after I have this file, and I can save it as a audio file, I can put it into one of those AI music things, and it can create the music, something like that. So, but the idea is that now that you can create a melody quicker, and you can put it in a file, and then you can do that one, and then it does the heavy lifting. The next thing that I want to do with it is actually connected to digital instruments, or just the instrument itself. So you plug them in the computer and it will detect that, and yeah, it's a little music studio thing.
It's great. I love it.